Hi guys, welcome to my first day of uni. This is my first day back and I wanted to vlog it for you lot so I can let you guys know what I'm doing at uni, what my subject's like, what my day is like. Today's like a really long day. It's actually 9:37, 9:38. And I was actually supposed to start at 8:30, but me and my housemate, we both overslept because we slept really late. We slept till like 2 a.m. Because she was helping me with my cornrows underneath my hair. But I've only got Bulgarian today. I don't know if you guys can see because it's really bright. Yes, I only had Bulgarian in the morning, Bulgarian language class. So even though I missed it, it's not really like too bad, but we wanted to both go, but we overslept. So the next thing that we have is at 10:30, so we're gonna go for that. I'm already ready, but I'm dog sitting, as I told you guys before. So you can see him. Just took him for a walk because this is what we have to do because we have a very long day. So I'm supposed to be finishing at 6 p.m. Hi. I'm supposed to be finishing at 6 p.m. today. So we need to take him out for a walk now because he's going to be indoors till we get back. We have a really packed day and we really can't miss anything because everything is like practicals or lectures and they're really important. But yeah, I'm just going to take you like around my day. Wait, hold on. Hi guys, so it's 9:56 and I'm back from walking my dog. This is my housemate. Anyways, that's my housemate. We live together, we're friends, we're sisters, you know, whatever. So yeah, we are about to set off for uni and we're just getting like the last bits ready. So I'm just packing my bag. If it looks a mess, it's because I moved our stuff because of the dog, because I told you I'm dog sitting for a friend, so we had to move everything out of the way so the dog does not, you know, mess up the house and stuff. So that's why it's like that. But yeah, I've just got my bag and I'm just getting like everything ready for uni. You have to have your hand cream, you have to have your sweets, my books and stuff. So yeah, we've got a really packed day today. I don't understand why we finish at 6 p.m, but okay. I made a salad that I'll be taking to uni. Yeah, that's our dog. He wants attention like 24/7. The funny thing is he's not gonna get it, so but yeah, let me just finish what I need to do and then we'll set off for uni. I'm having a shot of apple cider vinegar with water. Okay guys, so we are ready to go. Are you ready, boo? Ready. We're in the lecture and we're just waiting. The lecturer is not here and it's 10:35. So we don't know if it's cancelled or what's going on, so we're just waiting.
when you have finger of the valve to open complete.
Hi guys, so we went to pharmacology and it was cancelled because our lab assistant was not there, so that's cancelled, which is good. Good news because nobody want to do that anyways. But yeah, so yeah, like we were quite excited. Like I wanted to know what it was about, like pharmacology and stuff. But anyways, we're at the bank now. I'm at the bank with my friends. They need to do some banking stuff, so we're just gonna sort out whatever they need to sort out. I'm just here to, what am I here for? Moral support, yeah. So yeah, our next class is in the hospital, and that's at 2:15 or something, and it's 12:15 or something. So we've got like an hour plus to kill. So we'll go to the bank and then we'll go somewhere to eat, right?
Yeah.
And then we'll go back. Ooh. Hi guys, so we're just having something to eat because we've got like an hour before our next thing. So I'm just having salad and chicken. Tell you what you're having? Yam and egg. Taya's having yam and egg, and Christian's over there trying to cover her face.
My advice is just study, but no one's gonna take it seriously. So yeah.
But you study a lot.
Yeah.
But then you passed everything and you get like really good marks. So if someone wanted to do medicine, what is your #1 advice?
Study, don't stress yourself, try to take breaks, and pretty much,
Pray.
yeah, that's it. Most importantly, pray to the Lord. He's gonna help you a lot.
Yeah, we like that. What do we want to do for like 1 to 30 something, 37? We've already done in labs, so we already have that information. So do we do it in a way where, like, because Mondays we finish early, we can meet up and then we'll do maybe 10 a week or something? Because this stuff we've already done: reversible cell injury, adaptation, accumulation, like just going over it. Yeah.
Do you want to tell us which topics we do then, so we can prepare for the week?
Like everyone, 1 to 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
So I'll do.
No, we all do 1 to 10, and then we just come and talk about it so that we all know it. Yeah. I messaged Jalila and she said she's gonna send me all the lectures, so I'll just send it across to you guys.
Shall we get going?
So we just finished clinical lab and we've got pharmacology lecture before we can go home. Say hello, please.
Hello.
Say hi.
Wait, that was an angle, right?
It was a cute angle. Say hi. Emmanuel, can you say hi, please?
What's up?
You should say hi. Hi.
Yeah, everyone's going.
Yeah, we're going to uni. We're good students.
Yeah, we have to.
I see you guys next week.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel, this guy, he skives everything. He never wants to come to anything.
I don't.
You're a skiver.
Nah.
Exactly. You have to go.
Don't listen to my shit, lady.
Go listen to what Matthew said. Emmanuel, at least go
Can you
to
stop
one.
recording me, bro?
No. Let's have a chat. way better. It's been such a long day and I'm just so tired. Like, you guys do not understand. I'm so tired, but I just wanted to be realistic with you guys because I want you guys to know what a day in my life is. I could have missed the lecture from the morning pathoanatomy because it's not it's optional, but sometimes they do registers, meaning that they take your attendance to see who came and who turned up, and it's best for you to be there because if you're not there, you get into trouble kind of for not being there. So yeah, I had to go to that one. The pharmacology one, I've been told that it's compulsory, so that's the one that I just went to, so we had to go. But everything else that was not a lecture is definitely compulsory. All our practical classes are compulsory. Tomorrow I have a similar day, but I have lectures late in the day, and some of the lectures I need to start going because apparently, because we have a lot, I have 6 exams in December/January, so most of these lectures are relating to that exam, so it's best for me to go and, you know, collect all the information they want me to do in my exams. Yeah, so that's basically my day in my life. First day back to uni. This week I will know more like on, okay, what things are needed, what things are not needed, and because my timetable is so packed, sometimes we take, because my timetable is so packed, sometimes we take we don't go to some lectures so we can study on our own and stuff like that, like self-study. But we'll figure that out this week to see what is, you know, absolutely necessary to go in relation to lectures. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day. I'm just gonna take a nap and I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna study, and then I'm gonna like go